Got a little bit of damage, not a big deal.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. We got some 2022 good news. Well, I don't know if it'll be 2022 or not. It might be 2023 before I'm able to take advantage of it. But we were looking online. You know, everything I buy, I always talk about it. Everything's on a budget for me. I always have to buy used parts. So I got a new to me used aluminum block. I got it from Heath Luttrell. He posted it online. It was like $1,200. That's a freaking steal for this block. So I got it shipped over here to Richard. Richard did the unboxing of it, and he said this was the lightest engine he's ever seen. Let me show you what we got. Don't forget to go to turbojohnracing.com, comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks, guys. What's up, Richard? How are you doing? Another Saturday. He was out here all night last night working on stuff, and so I called him today, and I come over here. I appreciate you doing the unboxing on the video. That was pretty cool.
I was anxious to see it, but I was going to wait for you to do the honors. So.
No, that's fine. You my machinist, so I'd rather you get a look at it so you can get an idea. I don't know what I'm looking at anyway, if it's a good deal or not a good deal. So, you know, Richard does all my machine work. He does all my stuff. He's the builder. I'm the assembler. And this is the block. And like I said, man, this is a nice block. It is. I was hoping it was going to be 350 mains, but it's 400 mains. It is raised cam tunnel, 50 millimeters. So I'm going to have to get camshaft, crankshaft.
Not measured lifter boards yet.
Okay, so what we're doing is we're getting a game plan on what we're going to have to spend money-wise to get this thing in my actual car.
Yeah.
So what is it? So it's a 904. Yeah. So is that just the next size up from the factory stuff? Factory is what?
875 is Ford diameter. 904 is, I think, actually Mopar, but
oh, I got you.
Popular in the race application.
And the small block Chevy is what, 842 or something?
Yeah.
So that's the smallest one. Okay, so we have just solidified this motor is not going to be going together in the car right now. Budget is tight. 2022's here. We're trying to get the new car up and running. It's just a matter of, you know, it's a dollar and cent thing. So this thing is going to need, how many sleeves do you think it's going to need?
Definitely 3, possibly 4. I've not looked at it that good. One is raised up out of the block. It may just need seating. I don't know. I've not looked at it. Need to put the dial bore gauge in and measure them. One's missing altogether, not a big deal. These two are damaged.
And it broke a rod. That's how I got a good deal on it. So this thing slung a rod out through the bottom, went out. You know, this is normal. It's kind of what we normally see. My steel block, we got a lot of damage. Is this kind of the same way, Richard? I mean, we'll just take it out, smooth it out, weld it up, or do you need to even weld it up?
You can weld it up. I don't even think that's necessary.
And we didn't weld my steel block up. My steel block's got some damage on the bottom down there.
It's so easy to weld and machine it back out. I don't know. We'll cross that bridge, but
all right. So you can see it's definitely had some damage. It's got an oil pan, you know, here to hit. So we'll weld this up and get them to machine that back down. But this thing's got a ton of lightning, and I didn't even notice it. Richard was pointing it out. You know, the caps are lightened. You know, the block is lightened all around. This thing is just insane, man. It's 400 mains. The back of it is something like I have never seen before at all. And I mean, Richard was talking. He's like, you ain't got no problem cooling your converter off. So all that is open. So we can probably just, put a fan under the bottom. It'll blow air right up across it. So I'm excited, man. This is an aluminum motor in the no prep world. Is a big deal. This thing, how much does the regular blocks weigh? The block I have, how much do you think it weighs now?
At least 200.
And this one's probably just a tad over 100.
I guess, I don't know.
I mean, it is freaking light. We'll weigh it. But so the biggest thing is we can get 100 pounds off of the nose. We can take 100 pounds out of the back. So essentially, in the no prep world, I mean, this is what we need to do. I mean, we got to do this. So he's going to start pricing it out for us. See what we needed to get. The motor I've got now, it's got a 350 main crankshaft, and I've got spacer bearings. And we could possibly do that again with this one, but I think I want to do it right and maybe just try to find a 3.75 stroke, 6-inch rod, and then I can use actually the same pistons I got now. No, I probably shouldn't do that. If I put a 3.75 stroke, I probably don't need a dome. I probably just need to put a flat top back in instead of a dome. That's the stroke difference. It would be 406, 400? 406. So we're going from 364 cubic inches to 406 cubic inches. 360, that's 50 cubic inches. Now, if you think we're making three horsepower per cubic inch, woo, we're gonna make some power. I don't know if we're gonna do that. No prep words, you can't use all that power anyway. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to show y'all what we picked up. So we'll be looking. Richard's gonna price it out for us. He's gonna call Brodix and talk about the sleeves. And then I'll get with Little John with Foolproof Performance, and I'll get him to spec me out a camshaft and see how long the weight is on the camshaft. You know, that's one of the things too. I mean, in today's world, I mean, nothing is right now. I mean, even Amazon, you could get stuff on Amazon in 2 days. You can't get it now. Not, at least I can't. It's 4 days for Amazon.
I've been waiting on rods for 3 engines can't get any LS rods.
They're just not even available. God.
Not the ones I want anyway.
Right. What about camshafts? Have you had any luck with cams? Or
Hit and miss. Just depends on. LS stuff's not been too bad. Small block Chevy stuff. Ford's been a hassle to get. Not been too bad getting cams from Tom.
Well, maybe we won't have any issues with that. But I think this is, I don't know. We'll see. My pocket, I broke the transmission in the truck, so that's going to, it's never ending. Racing season is coming, and I've spent all my money. So we might have to push this one in the corner and just hang out in the shop for a little while until we figure out how much money it's going to cost and how much I am going to be allowed to spend. This racing stuff gets super expensive, but man, I am super excited. So we'll see. New to me aluminum block. God, it's light. Man, it would be nice to put it in now. I just don't think it's going to work for right now. All right, guys, comment, like, and subscribe. We'll see y'all soon later.